Have you ever wondered why your paycheck seems to vanish before you even get a chance to properly enjoy it? The truth is, effective budgeting is key to financial stability and growth. Today, we'll explore a powerful and straightforward budgeting strategy known as the 50-30-20 rule. By the end, you'll have a clear and practical way to manage your money responsibly, alongside an essential tip for long-term financial success. Part 1. The 50 Essentials. Consider your monthly income as a pie. Half of this pie, or 50%, should be dedicated to essentials. Lesson: if essential costs exceed half of your income, consider evaluating your lifestyle. You might need adjustments, such as a more affordable living arrangement, or limiting unnecessary expenses to bring your essentials within a manageable budget. Part 2. The 30. Discretionary spending. The next 30% is reserved for discretionary spending, those enjoyable but non-essential purchases that enrich your daily life. Lesson: the key here is balance. Regularly evaluate your discretionary expenses by reflecting on their long-term value and impact. Ask yourself thoughtfully, does this expenditure align with my personal values and long-term aspirations? Discretionary spending, when managed wisely, allows you to enjoy life's pleasures without compromising your financial health or long-term goals. By consciously choosing where to spend, you create meaningful experiences and lasting satisfaction, ultimately promoting a healthier relationship with money. Part 3. The 20. Savings and investments. The remaining 20% is your investment in the future, dedicated to savings and long-term financial growth. Lesson: consistent saving and investing build financial resilience and independence over time. Even small, regular contributions can significantly compound and create substantial wealth over years. Why it works. Real-life evidence. Research outlined in The Millionaire Next Door reveals that most financially successful individuals consistently allocate a significant portion of their income towards savings and investments. It's a practical approach, not merely good fortune, that cultivates wealth. Part 4. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. The greatest budgeting mistake people make is misjudging their expenses and spending habits. Lesson: to combat this, track your spending carefully for at least 1 month. Utilize budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, which clearly highlight spending patterns and areas needing improvement. Bonus tip: the key to financial discipline. Here is a powerful financial discipline practice called pay yourself first. Instead of saving what remains after expenses, prioritize saving first. Lesson: this approach psychologically reframes your financial priorities, making savings an essential, non-negotiable part of your financial life, thus building long-term financial discipline and success.